Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video as usual, man. Giving y'all that good content, man. Let's see, I'm trying to get my camera right. Okay, we about to put some mud flaps on the car. These some big old mud flaps, but we're gonna end up having to cut this because how the Durango is. You see in the inside right there, it's not, let's drop them, but it's not flat like how this is. It's not flat on the back end. Not sure why they did this because there's nothing behind here. Like, it's just empty space. They could have made this flat. Could actually have more tire space, I guess, but I'm gonna end up having to get some scissors and cut this. We can either use the existing pieces. We can just drill a hole. Let's give y'all an example here. I'm gonna be done talking here shortly. We can either just get some holes drilled here. We can get, like, obviously just get a hole here or something, a hole there, and then a hole there. And they'll pretty much make it a mud flap. But if you put it on like this, it just angles. It's not flat, so we're gonna have to cut it. So with some basic scissors. It's like this is just basic plastic. It ain't nothing. But other than that, just want to get my measurements right. So in order for you not to remove the tire, you might want to, you're going to need to drill some holes, drill 3 holes. So you can use, what I'm going to show you here, but drill your 3 holes and then you can just input it with another socket wrench, a power drill socket wrench. Whatever you call this stuff, man. I just know how to use the tools. So just a little crooked here, so I had to end up adjusting it. So I'll show y'all the final product here soon. All right, so before you even like get all this mounted properly, just make sure you have it angled and make sure it's lined up. I'm not using any measurement tools. I just eye all this stuff. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm not looking for perfection, but close to it. So I'm just making sure like each side is pretty much similar. Like obviously like this is an inch or whatever. So I'm just making sure everything lines up properly or good enough. Same thing, this is like an inch. Same thing like an inch. Just making sure you go, nothing ain't crooked or anything. And then the fronts were a lot easier. And they're about the same. Did the same about an inch. So I'm just going off my this eye measurements. It's not crooked or anything. Yeah, I just line it up with that side as well. But just making sure. But other than that, man, I'm gonna show you all the outside. Peace.